In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the flashlight and camera shortcuts on the lock screen in iOS 18. This is a new feature introduced with iOS 18, so make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest software version. Long press or hold anywhere on your lock screen for a second or two, then tap on the Customize option. Select the lock screen option on the left side to open the lock screen editor. With iOS 18, you now have the ability to change your flashlight and camera shortcuts. If you want to remove the current flashlight or camera shortcuts, you'll see a little minus button next to each shortcut. Tap the minus button to remove them. For this example, I'll remove both shortcuts. To add different shortcuts, tap on the plus button. A menu with various shortcut options will appear on your screen. Here you can add shortcuts like timer, alarm, calculator, and many others. Simply select the shortcuts you want to add to your lock screen. Once you've added your desired shortcuts or removed the existing ones, tap on Done to save your changes. That's it! Your lock screen shortcuts have been customized. If you need more tutorials on iOS 18, check out the playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching.